Hey guys, it's Derek from the Olive Oil Co. You know, someone has left out this beautiful tray of chopped vegetables, but we need something to dip them in. I have an idea. Tonight, we're gonna make the ultimate Mediterranean hummus. For this recipe, guys, you're gonna need 2 flavors from our store of olive oil, and then you kind of have an option at the end to drizzle on top. We're gonna get to that later. But first, you will need the Persian lime olive oil, as well as the Harissa infused olive oil. Harissa has your cumin, caraway, coriander, garlic, and chilies all in there. I love those warm flavors, and it's gonna give our hummus some awesome pop. So let's get to making our hummus first. So to start in our food processor, we have a can of chickpeas in here. The next thing you want to add is 2 teaspoons of minced garlic. So we're going to toss those in there. All that garlic goodness. We are also adding 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. We are also throwing in 2 tablespoons of tahini. So you don't want to put in too much or else your hummus will be quite bitter. Unless you like bitter, then that's totally up to you. Now for salt, you can just add to your taste. And for pepper is the same, just do it to your taste. Since we're adding the harissa, we're not going to do too much pepper. Once that's all in there, you can get your top on here, and we're going to start to blend this up. So as you can see, we have blended this up already. We're almost to the point where we want it to. You want to have some water set aside and do it tablespoon at a time to make it nice and creamy to what you want. So we're just going to add some to here. So when it comes to adding your 2 olive oils, it depends on how spicy you want it. We're actually going to do 1 part harissa and 3 parts Persian lime. So you want to make sure this is running. When you add the oil slowly. I'm going to do it a tablespoon. So now you can remove your lid, set that off to the side. You can take a spoon if you want, just get a little bit here, have a little taste. Really nice with the lime. And then the harissa comes along and it says, hey, I'm here, I'm spicy, delicious. We're gonna get this all plated up. Oh, hummus. It's one of my favorite things to make. It's especially with all those flavors going on in there with the pomegranate dark balsamic. As you can see, we got some cured meats and cheese from our good friends La Bottega in the mall. And we also have these lemon twist olives from our store. They're from Tillin Farms. They're actually olives stuffed with lemon. Look at that. These are delicious, especially when warmed up. And of course, we got some pita to serve with this and some crackers. We're also pairing everything with some Fielding Riesling from Beamsville. All the nice little notes in that wine are just going to go perfectly with all the Mediterranean flavor in this hummus. So first off, we got a piece of pita. Some balsamic on there. That is some perfect hummus, guys. And then that is lovely. I hope you guys liked this recipe and this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe right here, and we'll see you guys next time. Food processor. We also, as you can see, got some cheese and meats from our neighbors. Why is it not going?